If your life was a jar, what would you fill it with first? Hello, friends. This is an English moral story for beginners. Learn new vocabulary, sentences, and the moral lesson. A wise teacher walked into the class with an empty glass jar. He placed the jar on the table and filled it with big rocks. Is the jar full? He asked. The students said yes. He then added small pebbles, shaking the jar gently. Again he asked, now is it full? Finally, he poured sand into the jar. It filled the gaps. This jar, he said, is your life. Rocks are family, pebbles are work. Sand is small stuff. If you fill your jar with sand first, you have no room for rocks. Fill your life with what truly matters first. Moral of the story is fill your life with what truly matters first. Let's learn few new words from the story. Matter, meaning something that is important. Sentence, family is what really matters in life. Would, meaning shows what someone might do or choose. Sentence, what would you put in your life jar first? Jar, meaning a glass container used to hold things. Sentence, the teacher filled the jar with rocks. Pebbles, meaning small, smooth stones. Sentence, he added pebbles after the rocks. Gap, meaning a small empty space. Sentence, the sand filled all the little gaps. Fill, meaning to put something inside until full. Sentence, he filled the jar step by step. Did you like the story? Subscribe to Khushi English Tales for more English stories with simple words and big lesson. Also, like and share the video.